What's the meaning of charitable? Charitable. Charitable.
Charitable. Charitable. The word charitable refers to the act of being generous and giving aid or resources to those in need, typically through a non-profit organization. This can include donating money, time, or goods for a particular cause or group of people. The end result of charitable actions is often the betterment of society, as those who are struggling are given the support they need to improve their circumstances. Charitable work can also have a positive impact on the giver, as it can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment to their lives.